Hola muñequita. So I know I'm back. I was gone, I'm back. We're not gonna talk about it, okay? We're not gonna talk about how consistently I was posting and then I just left, okay? Let's just pretend there was a pause. But now I am ready to start making content again. I'm gonna start this vlog today. It's gonna be a weekend in my life. I'm actually doing stuff this weekend, so I thought I'd vlog for memories and all of that stuff. Today I went to Dollar Tree to pick up some things that I needed for the weekend. Doing a little gathering for my son. He's turning 7 years old. And it's gonna be Mario themed. I already ordered the cake. Hopefully she comes through because it's not my usual cake lady. I went to Dollar General randomly the other day and I saw it. My husband saw it and he's like, oh, just get it now. So I got 2 table covers. I got this yellow one and this blue one. And I also got red little plates specifically for the cake. I picked up some spoons. And then I also picked up this balloon arch maker. I also picked up a box of forks for the cake. And I picked up blue balloons. But through Amazon, I wanted to get him like more themed birthday things. So this is a pack of 10 Mario Party foil balloons. The characters, I believe there's a Mario balloon, Luigi one, and then there's the yellow stars. Can't believe my baby's turning 7. It's crazy. He was born premature. He was a tiny little thing. The odds were against him, and now he's like thriving, like doing so good in school. Just the smartest, kindest, sweetest, protecting, loving little boy ever. So it's the next day and I just woke up not too long ago, so I'm gonna go ahead and do my hair. I'm just gonna straighten it. Hear me talking weird or I'm doing too many gestures is because I'm embarrassed that my husband's gonna hear me. So for today, I am gonna be using the croc. So I just have my hair parted and I went ahead and used some of this on my hair. You don't need a lot. So this is my hair straightened completely. Wow. It looks very silky, very straight. I hope it lasts all day so that I don't have to do it again. And then I have a couple flyaways, so I'm just gonna use some hairspray on my hair. I think I'm just gonna wear something simple because I don't want to be like too dressed up right now. So I'm just gonna wear my high-waisted blue jeans and this little collared crop top. I've been loving this perfume by Juicy Couture. I think it's just like the original. It smells so good. It's so light, fresh, florally, and the bottle is so cute. It looks like a whiskey bottle, but cute. This is the outfit that I'm gonna be wearing. Just something simple, basic, not too dressy. This collared little crop top and my blue high-waisted jeans with my black sandals. I forgot to vlog, but we just finished eating some Chick-fil-A. I didn't finish my sandwich because I get full fast, but I usually get the spicy chicken sandwich, and today I got a Sprite. Okay, we're gonna go to Dillard's right now to look at dresses for my niece's quinceañera that I'm going to in September. I don't know if my kids are gonna let me look at dresses, but we're gonna try and see what they have. We just got home and I'm gonna show you guys a quick haul of all this stuff that we got. We got paper plates for tomorrow. got dish soap. I got a big thing of, this is a 24 count of chocolate chip cookies for my son's school, so he can take on his actual birthday and share with the class. We got some avocado oil. We've been using avocado oil. Ritz crackers as a snack. I'm just gonna probably do my makeup right now. Hi muñequitas. So today is another day. I don't know where I left off in the other vlog, but this is a couple days later and we came to fish. Yesterday was the last day of school, so technically it's our summer vacation. The weather's really nice today. It is still hot, but not as hot as it is normally. Right now we're trying to look for a spot to fish. I don't know too much about fishing. I've only ever caught one fish in my whole entire life. Okay, so we came to this first place, but my husband says that it's no bueno because there's a lot of people and it's crowded. I don't know. We're gonna go to another location that we saw first and we're gonna try there. It looks cloudy, but I don't know if it's gonna rain. It's pretty windy, so I don't know. It might just sprinkle a little bit.
Check the weather. Don't check the weather. Oh, fish! You wanna put it back in the water?
Yeah. You wanna hold it?
Huh?
You wanna hold it?
Yeah, I wanna hold it. I wanna hold the fish.
Okay, but
Hold it tight because it's gonna
Eat you?
no, it's slippery, so it's gonna slip out of your
slippery. Touch it like that. Look. It poke you? No.
Yeah.
just touch it the other way.
See? Scales. This you don't wanna go, you don't wanna poke it because this has it's sharp.
I know.
You wanna touch it?
Put in the water. Let the fish free. Let the fish free go. Let it go.
How do you feel that you catch your first fish there?
Good.
And we still got some shrimpies too.
And we have all summer, so imagine all the fish you can catch the whole summer.
I want to catch it.
You want to catch fish?
Yes.
There's like a whole bunch of crabs right here too.
Yeah. There's a whole army of crabs.
And they're the ones that have like the big arm.
Yeah, there's one big one. Is it stuck? How many fish did you catch?
Got it from the side.
We ended up not catching any fish after that, so now we're going home. We ran out of shrimp, so it's time to go back home now. Hola muñequita, it's another day. Honestly, yesterday we just chilled. We were just being lazy, chill, and we're picking up some food. My husband and kids are gonna eat some Chipotle and I'm gonna eat Taco Bell. I'm bringing you guys along. I'm gonna try to remember to film everything. Chipotle, Chipotle, Chipotle. So I just picked up some Taco Belly. I got the 3 crunchy tacos, the regular, not the supreme, and I usually get the Baja Blast, but I didn't get that today. So we're gonna eat some lunchies. Yum. I have the hot sauce on the shell, that way I can taste it. If I put it in the taco, I can't really taste the sauce. So.
Imagine, look,
we got a couple of things. Bath tissue paper. We got fabric softener. We got detergent. Avocado oil. This is probably the best cooking oil. It's healthy and it doesn't taste. It doesn't have like a weird taste to the food. So get you some.
I don't want to go to Macy's. What? Is this sparkly? I'm sorry about These are miniatures. Autumn cinder.